Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert Excel file into various formats. Let's start from creating directories. So we just click new, type source, select the folder, and we create another one, and we call it target. Next step is to create a transformation group. Let's call it Excel. And transformation, click new, and we'll call it Excel to file. So we're not going to use validator, so we just delete it. And we link reader to transform. So next step is to set reader properties. So our reader type is Excel, and its connection name is source. We need to select Excel file. We'll be loading data from leads file. It has a header, so we click OK. Right, we also need to select the sheet as well. It's opening the file now, and we need to auto format grid and set field names. It's taking the file because the file is quite large, so we say that we want to use field names, and we will take them from the line number 1. So next step is to set the writer. But what we would like to do first, we would like to copy the fields from reader to writer, because we don't want to do it manually. So we just click OK, and we select target connection, and we say that file format is UTF-8, and it is delimited, and we want to create a header, and we'll overwrite it. And we actually say that we want it to be a text file, or delimited, comma delimited. Method. So the next step is to map source to target. So we can use drag and drop like that. Or we can just use auto map function, which is much simpler. Just click map now, it's all done for us. Click OK. You can see we have no data. And now we are ready to run the transformation. Just click run. It's reading the data. It's all done. It only took 10 seconds. So what else can we do? For example, we can convert our Excel file into a qlik file. That's rather very easy. So we just select that we want to use qlik as a format. We change the and we need to say the table name, leads, and we need to change the extension, qlik. Very simple. Don't need to remap anything, because the fields always is the same, and the field names are the same. So we just run it again. Again, it took only 10 seconds, and if we click refresh, here's our qlik file source, and we can even view it in QI. So we just press this button, and here it is. And you can load QI from our website. So thank you for watching. I hope you find the tutorial useful. If you have any questions or suggestions or struggling with transforming your data, please ask them on our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And again, as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.